Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the preposition with, ma. If you'd like to see more Arabic lessons, please consider subscribing to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to use with in Arabic, which is ma, and you will also learn the other meanings that the word ma could have. So as I said, with in Arabic is ma, ma. Try to pronounce the ayn. Constrict the airflow in your throat to make the sound. Ma, ma. Using ma is very simple. It connects nouns or pronouns with other words. For example, أنا بدرس مع جود. أنا بدرس مع جود. I study with Jude. أنا بدرس, I study, with, مع, Jude. In this example, مع connects between the noun Jude and the verb بدرس, study. Let's look at an example with مع and a pronoun. جود بتدرس معي. جود بتدرس معي. Jude studies with me. To say with me, it is معي. 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 With me. Let's use مع with the other pronouns. With you, male, معك. معك. With you, female, معك. معك. With you, plural, معكم. معكم. Or you can drop the M at the end. معكو. معكو. بدي أغني معك. بدي أغني معك. I want to sing with you. بدي, I want. أغني, to sing. معك, with you, male. أنا رايحة معك. أنا رايحة معك. I'm going with you. أنا رايحة, I'm going. معك, with you, female. هو دايما معكم. هو دايما معكم. He's always with you. هو, he, دايما, always, معكم, with you, plural. With him, معه. معه. With her, معها. معها. روح معها. روح معها. Go with her. روح, go in the imperative for the singular masculine. معها, with her. With them, معهم. معهم. With us, معنا. معنا. تعال معنا. تعال معنا. Come with us. تعال, come in the imperative for the singular masculine. معنا, with us. So let's revise مع with the pronouns. With me, معي. With you, masculine, معك. With you, feminine, معك. With you, plural, معكم or معكو. With him, معه. With her, معها. With them, معهم. With us, معنا. مع مين بتحكي؟ مع مين بتحكي؟ Who are you talking with? مع in Arabic does not come at the end of the question. We don't say مين بتحكي مع. We say مع مين بتحكي. With whom are you talking? مع with مين. Who بتحكي you're talking. مع مين بتحكي. شاي مع نعناع لو سمحت. شاي مع نعناع لو سمحت. Tea with mint please. شاي tea مع with نعناع mint لو سمحت please. رح تتحسن مع الوقت. رح تتحسن مع الوقت. You'll be better with time. رح will تتحسن be better or improve مع with الوقت the time. Let's look at a few expressions with مع. You're probably familiar with this one. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. It means goodbye. The literal meaning is with wellness or with safety. So go and be well and safe. مع السلامة. The second expression, مع بعض. مع بعض. It means together. منروح على المدرسة مع بعض. منروح على المدرسة مع بعض. We go to school together. منروح we go على to المدرسة the school مع بعض together. كانوا مع بعض. كانوا مع بعض. They were together. كانوا they were مع بعض together. The third phrase or expression, مع إنه. مع إنه. Although. مع إنه الجو كان حلو بس ضلينا بالبيت. مع إنه الجو كان حلو بس ضلينا بالبيت. Although the weather was nice, we stayed at home. مع إنه although الجو the weather كان was حلو nice or beautiful بس but ضلينا we stayed بالبيت at home. And with this we conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. مع السلامة. Bye bye.